XRP is taking the throne back. 2021 highs in the market capitalization, it's taken out. Now, I want you to listen and understand. First time you break the moving part of the total market, the altcoin market, there has been a correction. So somewhere near here, we're going to get one. Yeah? But that's just a continuation pattern, but it's going to be choppy. It is going to be choppy. We watched that here in 2017. We watched that here in 2020 and 2021. Then yes, the price went nuts after that. If you are a true hodler, you don't care about that. All that you care is this, the big pop which comes after that. All that you care is this, the big pop. So if the wave 1 itself looks like this, what do you think wave 2 is going to be? It's going to be monstrous. XRP is going to do something monstrous. Remember, that was like an 18x here in the wave 1, but the wave 2 went beyond that. Boom. Now, if you take it at the breakout with the certainty, that was 13x, and it was almost double in wave 2. Crazy. Fine. In 2021, what did we do? We went up close to 3x and then did 3 times that in wave 2. Perfect. So what are we really doing here in wave 1? Already around 2.5x. So expect 7.5x in wave 2. Yeah, that's a huge probability, which means you may most likely see $7 to $10 just in wave 2. And the wave 3 is going to take you maybe around 15 to 20. But keep your expectations lower. Think about $10 to $15. That's going to save a lot of stress. But understand the market is going to play with your emotions. But the only place where the market will have trouble is when you're in the SI family. 1,300 members trust SI family and see what's happening. Yeah, it's not perfect. Yeah, we took 97 trades in 30 days, lost 10 but won 87. And with the minimal risk, we are now 64% up in 30 days. I think that's a good achievement, keeping the risk as low as possible, because on the other end, you have a lot of different individuals jumping in. But watch this. Bitcoin has skyrocketed. Now the altcoin market is following it. So what do you think the altcoin market is about to do? It's going to be interesting from here. It's going to be exciting from here. And that's why I say be a part of the Scientific Investor family using the link in the description below. Now, let's get into the video. Welcome to the Scientific Investor family, where the normal retail guys get to learn how to become the next top 10% of this world. We talked about XRP and its pop in detail from 0.5, yeah, towards the current price. We talked about this. We'll go to 1.2, we'll slow a bit there, and then go towards the next round, which is a parabolic ride. We've been talking about this for the last 2 months that this is coming. If you are prepared, if you are aligned, if you are enjoying this run, perfect. Now, what next? Yeah, now watching XRP going through the nuts zone. And watch the volume. A lot of people don't care about the volume, but I say you should. Now, why? When you do take a look at the XRP and its volume, you kind of see something. And that's special here. Ooh, that's a sudden surge, sudden spike. Why would you think that's happening? You need to look at the Bitcoin, you need to look at the market, but yeah, you get to see something. Now you are front running the crypto market. This is going parabolic, man. I mean, the search for XRP in Google, even the Google is surprised. While Bitcoin is slowing a bit down, while altcoins are slowing a bit down, you're watching XRP taking the attention. And that's why I say when you come back here, it's going to make a lot of waves by climbing back up. It just did cross the Cardano, the Doge. Now who's next? BNB, Solana. So it's going to do that soon. Yeah, BNB is almost close and it's going to flip it. And as soon as that happens, people are going to stock. They are literally going to talk about the same. It's a top 5 coin. Yeah. And then soon it's about to ride because USDT is not going to move much. Solana will move, but XRP will overtake that top 3 coins. Just like in 2017, it is going to come back to that highs. Just before the SEC screwed us, it was up there. Now SEC is kind of getting shaked with the new administration. It's about to pump. Look at the price action. It is next thing which you should be following. Yeah, it's true. You're looking at the market cap. You understand what's happening and you're excited. Great. Now put this on the line chart and see what's happening. You are literally above the 2021 close. But we didn't close the candle yet. Yeah. You still have a couple more days for the weekly candle close. And as soon as you get one, yeah, I mean, that's bullish. Yeah, what else should you say? When you have a breakout from this zone, you've seen that. But with some volatility. I don't expect this because that was SEC screwing us. So this is going to be something you need to watch. Now, as an XRP hodler, I would like to invite your attention into this range. Yeah, maybe you're going to shout at me, but it's forming something on a daily. That's negative divergence. And it doesn't mean this guy is going back to zero. I don't mean that. I hold this, right? The macro says it has done that before. It will do that most likely. Maybe not a 90% correction. Maybe it's just a 50% correction. Yeah. So on a daily, you have the negative divergence, but not on a 3-day. So for a 3-day to form the negative divergence, what should it do? It should slow a bit down and then pump like crazy, maybe $2.2, $2.5, and then drop. Yeah. So you're going to see something like this on a 3-day. Then to form this on a weekly, from there you will ride up. That would be one of the biggest pop because weekly entering there is going to create such a huge wave. Because watch, you ran up and then you ran up. What's the difference? From the first top to the second top on a weekly. Don't confuse. On a weekly. This was the first high. This was the second high. What do you think? I'm excited for that. Yeah, we're going to do this here. I know that. We're going to do that. But after that, you're going to see this kind of a pop. Yeah, that's coming. So keep your expectations correct. Make sure you do scale out, not waiting for a perfect bird in the sky to take out. Yeah, you want to scale out when you're 5x, when you're 10x, when you're 15x from your cost basis. Don't just listen to anyone's target. Watch how your portfolio is growing and make sure you do take the profits out. Now that's a lot for XRP. Now let's actually look at other coins which you may potentially use if you are not in the SR family. I'll give 3 to 5 minutes and see what you can do. You go into the exchange, whichever you like. You go into the section, whichever you like. But I would argue, go to the market, look at the most hot coin in that market, meaning the volume is jumping in there. You want to look at the section which is attracting a ton more capital. Is it Solana? Is it Sui? Is it Ton? You literally have to go through them. But again, at the end of the day, what happens is you see meme coin section doing comparatively slower now. Money came in the memes. I highlighted that to you. Now the money is moving out of the memes and you see which direction it's going. You just saw payments starting to attract more capital. And that's not a small deal there. Now watch, there are BNB chains. It's just starting to take in new cash flow. So at one point, it's about to start bursting. Now you're watching DeFi. XRP is a DeFi linked coin. It is also going nuts. So you kind of watch a lot of these coins and now starting to show you it's about to run. Not the 5x's, but look at the daily. It's breaking through a bull flag. This ends up in a way where you can ride it to the upside. So literally understand which segment is attracting the cash flow, and once you know that, you're on top of the game. Now look at AVAX. It's a great project. Watch what's happening there. Yeah, we took a trade there. We did good. We understood this was happening. We entered there. We used that momentum. Now we are doing the short-term trades. So we are not riding that asset to the sky. Rather, we use an opportunity, enter, try to exit, move out. Yeah, then use to compound that same capital. So if you want to use that with 1,300 members, use that link in the description. And right now in the SR family, I'm running an offer which is going to be attractive for you. 25% off for annual payments this year. Yeah, for the bull market, you're prepared. We'll go through the one-on-one session. We'll rebalance your portfolio. We'll give you all the ideas so that you make the best decision from this market. If you received value, smash that like button for me. I'll meet you guys on the next video. Bye for now.